everyone, so today I'm going to be trying out for the first time some products by Uncle Funky's daughter. So I've got these two kits. There's a Busy Beauty kit and a Crystal Clean kit, and it's quite handy that you can buy them in these small sample or travel sizes to test them out before you decide whether or not to buy the full-size bottles, because they are more expensive than what I would usually like to pay for a hair product. But each of these kits was about £19, so you get to test out a lot of the different products. So today I have already washed my hair using their Squeaky Deep Cleansing Shampoo, which is their clarifying shampoo. They do also have a moisturizing shampoo, which is this Rich and Funky moisturizing cleanser, and so I haven't used that one today. I've also used their Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask, and again they do have a another conditioner, which is their Richee Rich Moisturizing Conditioner, so again I haven't used that one today. But both of these, so the Deep Cleansing Shampoo and the Heal and Renew Mask, they both have a nice minty smell to them, slightly different from each other. They're not both the same. And the mask is a slightly sweeter smell, but they're both really nice. They both leave your scalp feeling nice and refreshed and tingly. With the mask, that is basically detangles your hair by itself pretty much. It's so moisturising. I probably used a bit too much when I applied it, but yeah, so I was impressed with those. Okay, so I'm just going to wet my hair off a bit more because it's dried a little bit. It still smells really minty, so I really like that. It smells really nice. Right, okay, so first of all I think I'm going to just spray on a bit of their Midnite Train Leave-In Conditioner. So I think this is just quite a light conditioner spray, so I'll just spray that on all over my hair. Like I said, I haven't used any of these before, so we'll just have to see how it goes. Just try them out. And this has a really nice fruity smell. It's really nice. They all seem to have different smells, which is quite nice, and so they're not all the same. And so next of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply their Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream to this side of my hair, and I'm going to try out their Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream on this side of my hair, so that we can kind of compare these two creams. Okay, and so I've seen and read that you only need to use a small amount of each of their products, so I'm going to try not to use too much. Okay, so this is the Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream, so it's quite thick, and again it smells different to the other products I've used so far. So this one smells really nice and like banana, so I'm just going to apply that to this side. Right, and the Super Curl, it's a little runny cream, and it's not too thick, but I think I'll just, first of all, if I just apply, maybe I'll just apply that much. I'm not sure what that one smells like. The smell of that one isn't quite as strong as the other products. It's still quite nice. It's got quite a slight fruity smell to it, but maybe not as nice as the others, but it's not unpleasant. Okay, and I will now apply the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator to both sides over the top of those creams. And it says you're supposed to apply this to sections of soaking wet hair from root to end. I think this one smells a bit like lemonade, maybe. So it's like a gel, so runny. And usually I go a bit overboard on gel, but I think I'm gonna play it safe and I won't add any more to this side. Just finger coiling a few bits. I will go away now and leave my hair to dry, so I will be back in a few hours' time. Okay, so my hair is dry now. I'm not sure if you can see, but it has dried quite frizzy so far. There is a slight cast from the gel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try spraying some of this Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer over the top to see if that helps sort things out. It sprays in quite a single stream, really. I'm going to try spraying a bit on my hands first. It seems a bit easier to do it that way, to spray it on the hands first rather than directly onto the hair. So there's still quite a bit of frizz, particularly in this side. I don't know if you can see it in the lighting, but there's quite a bit of frizz, particularly down the bottoms. There's also a bit of frizz on this side, but I don't feel that there is quite as much on this side, which is where I use the Super Cream, and this side is where I use the Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream. So I think it's probably because perhaps the Super Curl actually has a level hold to it as well, whereas perhaps the Good Hair Cream doesn't. I probably should have used a bit more gel, so I think that I will keep trying that out and testing it different ways. I will just go ahead now and use the Glossy Finishing Hair Polish and just fluff my hair up and scrunch it out a bit more. So this one comes out in a bit of spray, really. But overall, I'm quite impressed really. I don't know really if the Glossy spray would really be necessary. I suppose it adds a bit of shine, but I wouldn't probably use it on a regular basis. I'd probably just stick to using argan oil, which is what I would usually use. And the fact that there is frizzes, because I probably didn't apply enough of the Curl Magic gel, so I will try that out again. But yeah, these products, they smell amazing. But yeah, it's definitely worth getting these sample or travel sizes of the products to test them out first of all, to see if they actually work in your hair, rather than investing in the larger bottles. They do big bottles of the Curly Magic. I think they do 32 ounce bottles of that, and also for some of the other products as well. I'll definitely be trying that out again. I think I will probably I probably prefer the Super Curl Cream over the Good Hair conditioning cream, but I'll have to try both out again. But what I'll do is I will be back again tomorrow, and I will test out the Revitalizer spray on second day hair.